Hello, today we are going to learn about how to multiply radicals in a fast and a correct way. There are some vocab terms that we need to review so we don't get confused about what they are. The radical sign is the one that looks like the square root, the radicand is the number inside the square root, and the coefficient is the number outside the radical. So the easiest way to understand is that inside numbers only can multiply by inside numbers and outside numbers multiply with the outside numbers. So confused about it? Let's go and see a visual with color coding that can help us have a better understanding. Alright, now we see a visual so we can have a better understanding. 3 square root over 3 times 5 square root over 7. So the black ones will be outside the radical and the blue ones will be inside the radical. Watch how the outside numbers 3 and 5 can multiply together to give us 15. Then the inside numbers 3 and 7 get multiplied under the radical to give us 21. Keep up the math organized so you don't have to mix it up accidentally. Now we know a little bit more about how the concept works. We can go to some practice problems. 2 square root of 7 times 4 square root of 3. So first multiply the outside numbers. That is 2 times 4 equals 8. And then multiply the 7 times 3 and then we give 21. So 8 square root of 21 is your answer. Now let's see a different one over here. 3 square root of 2 times square root of 8. Now we don't have both coefficients, but there's two radicands, 2 and 8. We multiply them and get 16. So we get 3 square root of 16. But wait a second, 16 is a perfect square. So the square root of 16 will be 4. And now that we have the square root of 16, we'll take out the square root and now it is 3 times 4. And you multiply them and you get 12 as your final answer. Now it's your turn. I will give you two similar problems of the one that we practiced. Here are the two problems. Pause the video, solve it, and then when you have the right answer, unpause it and look for the correct answer. So here are the correct answers. The first one, negative 15 square root of 22, and the second one, it's only 18. So that's it. I hope that this mini lesson has helped you to understand more about the multiplication of radicals and nothing else to say. Goodbye.